show you this serum that I received from the company. I don't know about you guys, but like as I age and especially in drier months, I find that I need additional hydration to really get like a glow in my skin. I do have very sensitive skin. I have rosacea, eczema, allergies. I have not had a problem with this personally. So I like that. It is like brightening booster. You put it on after you wash, but before the moisturizer. It has lactic acid and AHA, which is all supposed to be really good for your skin. And I believe it. I use it on my face, my neck, and as well as like right here. It is sulfate free, paraben free, and cruelty free. So again, really like nice features about the product. It comes in this like great glass bottle. So it feels like very luxurious. It doesn't feel cheap at all. It's a nice size. You get a good amount. I personally also can use this with like different tools. Like if I'm going to, use any type of like massager on my face or cupping or anything like that. It has like a nice clean scent to it. It doesn't smell like perfume. But it's very faint, and you can see it just like right away applies this like glow and like almost like a dewy feeling. So really like another thing to add. Personally, I am like adding a lot into my skincare routine as I age just to really help with like wrinkles and the glow and exfoliating, like all the things. So really happy with this. I would definitely pick this up if you need something like this.